Here's how to use Coolify. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that Coolify is accessible to your Safari, Chrome, or Google. And afterwards, you have to create an account. Create an account by putting on your name, email, password, and then click on the register options. Afterwards, you will receive a verification email sent. So you have to activate your account on the verification email. And then you have to choose your subscription plan that you want. You cannot use Coolify if you did not have a premium account because some features requires a premium account on the end. Now, once you have already purchased a premium account, this is the look of the main dashboard of Coolify. As you can see, your organization or the team that you just built up is very organized. You can see your projects, monitoring, and files. Also, you can go ahead and name your project if you want to, and then go ahead and paste on the webbook URL that access to your Coolify account.